Hey guys, today I want to show you how to generate fast traffic through Instagram. Instagram is a social media platform, and like any other platform, there are some people who rise up in their status and become influencers in their particular niche. Some of them are even celebrities. So, what we're trying to do here is we're trying to tap into their audience, kind of. Break a deal with them where they can either give us a shout out or put our link in their bio or do the both. This way we can tap into their audience to promote our offers, and it's very cheap kind of traffic. I mean, if you have a huge following in Instagram, you can use your own profile to promote offers, but if you don't, then it takes a lot of time to build a strong follower. So in that case, you can use these Instagram influencers to drive traffic to your landing pages or to your offers. So one of the resources I'm going to talk about here is called Shoutcart. Let me show you how it works. So I have put the link down, so you can click on the link or you can go to shoutcart.com directly. So here, when you go here, you register your account. It's free. So once you register your account, you come to this dashboard. Here, if you click on this browse button, you'll see a list of all the influencers here. So it's not only Instagram. You can find influencers of Twitter, YouTube. So you can filter, pick and choose what you like. On the left side here, the most important thing before choosing an influencer is to make sure that there is content to market match. That means if you are selling health related product, you want to find influencers who have the followers interested in that particular category. So what you can do is you can type in your niche, for example health. So when you do that, it will show you the influencers that are serving directly or indirectly in that particular niche. So if you just scroll down, you will see a brief detail on the followers, like how many followers, brief detail on the influencers, like how many followers they have, their score, their prices. So this influencer has 1 million follower and they charge $50. This has 80,000 follower and charge $10. So if you look at the price, they are pretty reasonable. If I can get my offer in front of 80,000 people in $10, I think that's pretty good deal. So from this list, you can choose the influencer you'd like to connect with. So let's look at one of them, maybe this one, Fitness Direction. So what I want to do is, so here you can find more information on the influencers. So it's a fitness health motivation page with 100% real and targeted followers. Average like per post is 825, average comment is 3. So this is kind of concerning for me. So you want to find influencers who have engaged audience. So how you can tell if they're engaged is looking at the comments. So the more comments they have, it's better. That means they have an engaged audience. So for example, if you like this influencer and you want to connect with her, you can just add that influencer to your campaign. So if you look at the pricing, you'll see she charges $15 for 2-hour shout out, $30 for 24-hour shout out. So it's pretty reasonable. Some influencers have an option to put your link in that bio. So if you like that kind of option, you can look for other influencers who provide that option. So they will give you a shout out and they'll also put their link in their bio. So you select what campaign you want to go with, and then you just add them to your campaign and then check out. It's that simple. So when you buy their service, what happens is they will give you a shout out, whatever option you selected, like 2 hours shout out or 12 hours shout out in their post, and then they will direct their audience to your landing page. You can get more traffic, you can get fast traffic, you can get targeted traffic with this option. So this is one of the resources you can use. There are other resources like iInfluence, and there are a couple of others. I can put a link to their website below so you can check them out. So it's a very easy and very reasonable and very fast traffic. So you can get the traffic within 24 to 48 hours with this option as well. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, or if you have any confusions, because I use ShoutCloud to find my influencers. So if you have any questions, I can help you out. Until next time, bye.